Pretty exciting right here. I just got my new CBN wheel. So this is a Hurricane Tools CBN grinding wheel, 8 by 1.5 by 5/8 arbor, 180 grit. I have an old Craftsman variable speed grinder. I'm going to keep my traditional wheel over here. Reverse shreds on this side. Oh, you're supposed to sand that shaft to get it completely true. I did that actually before I put the wheel on. So that's a good thing to note. A couple cool things about these CBN wheels. One is that they never get it dressed. So this dressing thing right here is for dressing the stones, because how the old school stones work, they just have sharp little pieces that wear out, kind of come off, and then you go to a new sharp little piece. These don't. These are super hard. So they never need to get dressed. They never wear out. Then the other thing that's super nice about these things is they have these side walls. So you're never supposed to grind on the side of a grinding wheel, but on these you can. You are only supposed to use these on high-speed steel. So here's one of my lathe tools right here. It's a Robert Sorby high-speed steel. And you actually can grind these on the side. So you grind it right here and right here. They do seem to have less sparks than a regular grinding wheel. Let's see how this goes. Constant flat bevel and flat down on this. You can see that edge. Ooh, it's nice and sharp. Very nice. I like it so far. We'll keep using it and keep testing it, and then we'll see where we are.